There are an estimated 285 million people in the world who are visually impaired. These folks need to do their laundry too, and they need a system that takes their needs into account. With Electrolux's voice guidance technology, our washers and dryers can speak and guide your customer with step-by-step instructions, from choosing the right program,
hot, quick wash,
to paying with coin or a card system.
Start the machine by pressing the knob.
Having machines with this feature in your store can bring in an entirely new market segment and provide a service to your community.